the plant cell in medieval times?
The nucleus is a control system and relates to the king because the king controls the medieval time kingdom.
The cell membrane is the cell protection, and it is an analogy to the moat which also protects the castle.
The mitochondria breaks down food to give the cell energy, and the kitchen prepares food to give to the people.
Ribosomes make protein, and it is an analogy to armor because armor helps people survive, and without protein, the cell could not survive.
The roughy yard produces ribosomes, which is an analogy for blacksmiths who produce the armor to protect the people of the castle.
The smoothie yard breaks down poison, and it is an analogy to soldiers, which protect the castle by fighting off the bad things.
The Golgi apparatus finishes products from the roughy yard and ships them off to other cells. It is an analogy to the messenger who prepares messages and sends them to other kingdoms. Vesicles are sacs made out of membrane who carry products from the roughy yard to the Golgi apparatus. It is an analogy for slaves who also carry stuff
And do all the hard work.
Lysosomes clean the cell, which in turn maids also clean the kingdom.
The cytoskeleton holds all the organelles in place, and it is an analogy to the queen because the queen also holds things in place and makes sure that everything is going okay. The cell wall shapes the cell and protects the cell from outsides. It is an analogy to the wall around the castle because the walls also protects the castle from outdoors. The chloroplast takes in sunlight and transfers it into energy, which is also called photosynthesis. This is an analogy to a water mill because a water mill takes water and converts it into energy. The central vacuole helps the cell grow in size by absorbing water, and it stores chemicals and waste. It is an analogy to the armory room because the armory room stores things that help protect the castle. Does the mitochondria break down food and convert it into energy? What do ribosomes produce? What does the nucleus function as?